Hello, everybody. Today I will share a very interesting story about Lord Buddha and also how, because of our minds, we can achieve something or we can fail in something. It's all about our thinking process. So, there was a kingdom wherein the king had many elephants, horses, and other animals. But one of his elephants was the fastest, the strongest, the best. So he used to always send that elephant in the war. And that elephant used to crush the other side's soldiers. And it was like a menace on the war front. And everybody started talking about this elephant, that what a great elephant it is. It is better than any other elephant in the world. And so on, this went on and on for many years. But as time goes by, we age. Similarly, the elephant also started aging. And then it was not fit enough to go on the war front. And as generally what happens, we neglect something which is of no use to us now. And the elephant was getting neglected. The king never used to bother about it, nor the people who take care of elephants used to take proper care, and he was left in one corner. The elephant started feeling miserable. It started feeling that yes, I am not good in anything. I am just good for nothing. So, this thought has got stuck in the elephant's mind. One day, these elephants were taken near a lake. So, this old elephant started walking and got stuck in the muddy portion of the lake. And it just couldn't come out. The more it tried, the more it got stuck and sank inside the muddy area. The king was informed. All the soldiers were brought to the lake and they tried all possible means to take out the elephant from that mud slurry, but everything failed. At that time, Lord Buddha was walking down the lake. So the king rushed to Lord Buddha, bowed down to him, and said, "What shall I do? This elephant has become old and useless, and now it is troubling me. It has got stuck in the mud, and I can't leave it like that." So the Buddha said, "Please ask all your soldiers to blow trumpets to make all the noise which comes in a war." The king was puzzled. Even the soldiers were puzzled that how could this help the elephant? But if Buddha has said, there must be a reason for it. So they followed the Buddha's advice and big trumpets were brought and all the sounds possible in a war was played. And what do we see? The elephant. The elephant just stood up on its own and just came out of the mud with power and vigor. So Buddha said, it's all in the mind. We have motivated the elephant of his golden days when he used to be a menace on the war front. So when he heard those sounds, again he felt that yes, I can do it. I have the power. And so he could do what no one else was being able to do. Hence, it is our mind. If we think we can achieve something and we manifest it, it will be achieved. So never give up, keep on fighting, keep on winning in every day of your life. Bye bye, take care.